Hi there, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and this is free website audit of herbsandspiceworld.com. I'm on the homepage and I really love the high quality image in the hero image area. It just misses the tagline, it misses the call to action, so you can add something like shop our organic herbal teas if it's relevant to your products, if it's relevant to your collections, then link to the relevant collections at shop now button. This is much better for the conversion rate because people will be able to click and shop if they see the image they like. And it's also advisable to show one of your products here. I understand that this is a stock image, which is really beautiful. However, if you're not selling this particular, I understand this is one is matcha, the other one is some kind of green herbal tea. So remember to link it to the relevant collections. If you're not selling the exact or matching products, consider showing one of your products here, which is much better for the conversion rate. The top navigation looks really good. I would reduce the number of elements so you can move contact us to the footer menu. So there's no two rows. It feels like this second row is unnecessary. So you can show all of the elements in one row. It will give you more polished professional look. The top promo bar is really nicely organized. I would add a little bit more. The information is a little bit too vague. Maybe say because of COVID, our orders take 3 working days or take 5 working days. So it gives a little bit more information, gives a little bit more juice to the visitors, because at the moment this information is just too vague to really make any difference when it comes to the conversion. Okay, I can see you've got tagline. For some reason it is at the very bottom of this image, and as you can see, it is not displayed. It feels like this space is not utilized. So I assume that you are working on a much bigger screen, so it's worth checking how the website displays on standard screens, on smaller screens. So for example, my screen is standard, I think 13 or 15 inches. So make sure to check how the images display on smaller screens, even on the mobile, because it's important. And with I believe with this particular Shopify theme, you should be able to display the tagline and call to action in the middle of the image or at the top of the image, so it doesn't have to be at the bottom of the hero image. Okay, now I see that you're not selling teas, not selling matcha teas or anything like that. You're just selling tea related accessories. So it's even more important to show this in the oh, you're selling teas, okay. So if you're selling teas, I don't see the reason why you're showing the merchandise here instead of teas, because I understand if you showed teas here, it would make sense to link to your products here, because it feels a little bit unrelated. However, make sure to specify the titles to be more SEO friendly. For example, teacups is SEO friendly, is descriptive as a title. Our product is just too vague to tell Google what you're selling, so make sure to add more specifics to the titles. And also consider displaying four items per row here, because there's like an empty space here. Okay, so you tell a little bit more. Okay, you tell a little bit more. It would be great to, perhaps because you're showing someone tearing up the mint leaf, so maybe it would make more sense to link to tell about your herbal teas and link to the herbal teas instead of linking just to all collections. You can tell a little bit more, for example, how your herbal teas are made. It just I mean, it's a beautiful image. It just this content, it that doesn't feel related to that. Again, you show the product unrelated to the tea, so I'm still missing to see any teas on the homepage. Yeah, there's no teas. Okay, but the footer has got navigation, user-friendly navigation, link to the Facebook page, which is excellent. Okay, that's perfect. Remember to open the external links and social media links in new tabs. Otherwise, when someone clicks on Facebook, they close down the website, they close down your website, they leave your website, which will hurt your SEO and which will hurt your conversion rate because people will be leaving your website there. So open these links in new tabs or you will be losing valuable traffic from your own website. I clicked on Shop Now link in the footer and it took me to the catalog. It's just I'm missing to see any teas. I really want to see teas, and all I see is just print on demand products. So I'll just go to your tea section. So you definitely need to work on organizing the. Okay, so I'm being sent to a completely different website, which I don't like the sound of because it's not related in any way, in any shape or form to where I was. So I'm going to click back and I'm going to finish the audit at this stage because this is very, very bad, very bad for user experience, for SEO to send someone. It really affects trust. It really affects sales. So if you want to sell teas, sell it on this website. Don't sell to any other. Don't send traffic to a completely different website, which doesn't even look like yours, because it will not only hurt your trust as a retailer, sending someone to a completely different website without warning. It will also trigger Google penalty, as Google will read it as a doorway website. So your website is a doorway to a different website, which is definitely black hat SEO. It will trigger penalty, so make sure to advertise the teas. If you're not selling teas, don't work on the branding. So don't advertise your store as the herbal tea store, herbs and spice store. Um, Advertise it as print on demand store, merchandise store, and so on. If you want to sell teas, make sure to sell teas on this platform, on your Shopify store, on this website. If you like this audit, please leave a positive review on my Trustpilot profile. The details are in the email. And remember to book your free chat with our Shopify experts to go through all of the elements mentioned in the critique, learn how to fix them, learn how to drive more free traffic to your website, and convert visitors into paying customers. So don't miss this opportunity. It's 15-minute non-obligation chat with a Shopify expert. Book it now. The details are in the email. Thank you so much for your time. It was Maggie from Rock Paper Copy. Chat with you soon. Bye-bye.